In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vector in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a photo or logo into a clean, vector-style illustration using OpenArt's built-in tools. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Hover over the image section to reveal your creative options. Then click Create Image. This takes you to the image creation workspace where you'll set up everything for a vector look. Here, you can choose the model or style that will guide the result. Different models interpret shapes and edges in unique ways, so selecting a model that favors flat colors and crisp lines can make a big difference for vector-style outcomes. If you're unsure, don't worry. You can still get great results by focusing on the style you're about to pick. In the style search, type the word vector. This quickly filters the available looks. Click on Vector Illustration Style to lock in a style focused on flat fills, solid shapes, and clean outlines, exactly what you want for a vector aesthetic. Next, switch to Image to Prompt. This mode analyzes your reference image and automatically drafts a prompt that describes it in vector terms. It's a fast way to translate your source image into instructions the model understands. Drag and drop the image you want to convert, or upload it from your device. For best results, use an image with clear subject separation, good lighting, and minimal background clutter. High-resolution sources help the system identify edges and forms more reliably. Once your reference is in, you'll see a text prompt. You can leave the AI-generated prompt as is, or fine-tune it to emphasize the style you want. Things like flat colors, bold outlines, simplified shapes, or a plain background. Brief, specific edits often produce the cleanest vector-style results. Decide how many images you want to generate. Increasing the number gives you more variations to choose from, which is helpful when you're dialing in a brand look or testing color palettes. Keep in mind that more images may take slightly longer to render. When you're ready, click Create. Now, wait for the results. OpenArt will process your request and display the generated vector-style versions. The progress indicator lets you know it's working. Generation times vary based on your selections. That's the full workflow. Start on the home page, choose Create Image, select a suitable model, search and select Vector Illustration Style, switch to Image to Prompt, upload your reference, refine the prompt if needed, set your image count, and create. Enjoy exploring your new vector-style images in OpenArt.